This Instagram page that shares motivational reels made using AI tools gained 6 lakhs plus followers in 2 months. And this page gained 6 lakhs followers even in Hindi language. In recent days, these type of AI generated videos are getting viral. There are more similar pages grown drastically in a short period, like successtips.ai, billionaire rules, health dev and AI gym tips and more. This type of content are conquering in every single niches. In last 2 months, I posted AI reels in a new page and I made over 40k Indian rupees by following a proven strategy. In fact, there is a chance that AI influencers will replace human influencers in many niches because it requires no camera, no mic, no studio and even no hard work. So do you want to learn to make this type of high quality AI generated reels? Watch this video without skipping any part. I promise you that you can also grow a theme page and make money. Let's get started. We will use 3 websites to make the videos and an editing software to write captions. An Android phone is enough to make everything. So I splitted the video into 4 steps and I have a bonus trick to use those websites for free forever. And now let's see the process step by step. So keep watching the video carefully. The first step is to make an AI avatar to talk in the video. Some people would advise to use Midjourney for generating AI characters, but for this Leonardo AI is enough and even the top creators use this tool. They will give you 150 credits per day to generate images and it will cost 2 to 8 credits per image. To start, head over to leonardo.ai, click launch app and to sign up go to any temp mail provider sites, copy a mail ID and simply paste it in the site you want to create a fake account. Wait for some seconds and go to temp mail again to get OTP or to confirm your account. You can use this technique to create account in other sites we are going to use later. If you are running out of credits, create another account using this trick and you will get unlimited credits. Now in Leonardo app, select any model you want and you will be in the interface of Leonardo AI. Basically suggest to test out all models to get some idea about this. If you are beginner in generating AI arts, you must have no idea how to use correct prompts. So I will give you a prompt template. You can copy and paste it in Leonardo. Just change some keywords like the type of character you want, his appearance, outfits or etc. To thank me, hit the like button and subscribe. After you paste the prompt, I recommend to set the model as Dream Sharper version 7. It is a new model launched in Leonardo and set the aspect ratio as 9:16 and hit generate. It will take around 1 minute to generate and this is just a sample or preview of the image. To get the full quality image, click upscale button and it will cost 5 credits in additional. Now don't waste time by waiting for it. Just generate other images and you can download all upscale images later by clicking load previous generations. Try to make 10 to 20 avatars at least so that you don't need to worry about the characters later. If you want a shortcut or a hack to get Leonardo prompts using Chatgpt, click the video at the top. Now the second step is to get the script and voiceover. For AI voice, there are many tools available on the internet, but Elevenlabs sounds more realistic. Probably you heard his voice many times in Instagram or TikTok. Simply go to Elevenlabs, sign up an account using the technique I taught in first step. They will give you free trial up to 10,000 words and later you can create another account using the trick easily. Now you need the script to convert into voice. I will teach you 2 methods to get the script. One is go to Instagram itself and search 6 things or 5 things and you will get some posts from motivational pages. Select any post and use Google Lens to copy the text. The second step is to get script from Chatgpt. Just copy the prompt from video description and include your video topic. It will generate the script for you. Just copy that and your script is ready. So go to Elevenlabs again, paste the script and select perfect voice you like. Basically I prefer Adam and hit generate. It will take some time to generate and also in Elevenlabs place full stops, commas at correct places. After generation, download it. Now you have your avatar and voice at your hands, so the third step will be converting them into a video. You guessed it wrong. We are not going to use DID because they stopped giving free trials after getting so popular like Midjourney. But no problem, we have an alternative which is Heygen. Go to this site and create an account using the same technique I taught you in the first step. They are giving 2 to 4 credits per account and they charge 0.5 credits for a video. After signing up, switch to desktop mode if you are creating in mobile phone. Click the upload button and upload your AI avatar which you created in the Leonardo AI. At the bottom, select audio script and upload your AI generated audio downloaded from Elevenlabs. Don't worry about the other options and just submit. The last step is to write captions because a reel without captions is like Instagram without reels. So don't skip this part. I use Capcut to write auto captions. Use any VPN to edit in Capcut from India. Basically, you don't need any animation transitions in your reel. But if you want your reel to be professional and want to stand out, spend more time in editing. Add the video to project and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Simply go to text and click auto captions. Make sure that you are using Capcut with VPN on. It will take a few seconds and give you a text with default font. So change the font. I suggest this. And I will give the link to access these fonts. These fonts will give a minimalist and professional look to your reel. So add some stroke, shadow and place it in proper place. Change the text to bright yellow or green or red. If you change only some keywords in the captions, it will look more attractive. Add your watermark and export it with 1080p and 30 fps. In conclusion, now everything is completed and your video is ready. When choosing niche, don't try motivation as it is already saturated and people got bored of hearing motivation from AI gurus. Spend at least some time before choosing a niche. Choose a niche that is new to this type of content, and in that niche, look for a sub niche and you will definitely conquer in that niche. For example, there is no pages that shares news, so why don't you try this? Choose a sub niche inside this like celebrity news, finance related news, and remember when you are creating videos, you can create your own news, so don't take over advantage of it. Spread real and positive news to get some organic reach. Here are some other page ideas: movie reviews, celebrity fan page, cooking page, tech page, and gaming page if you have some real skill, etc. If you want tips to get more views for your reel, comment viral and I will make a full tutorial to optimize SEO, and I will share some hacks to get millions like I got in my pages. If you want to monetize your theme page like I did to make some passive income, comment AI and I will make a full tutorial to make money from your page. Thank you for watching and hit the like button if you found this useful.